Hello guys, welcome to this very special video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I identify in the market. So I'll be using CoinMarket. I'll be using CoinMarket for this tutorial. So when you open CoinMarket, so this is how it looks like. You are going to see all the crypto, all the assets they have there. So these are all of them. You can sort them by trending. You see, you can see which ones are trending. Here, you can see the trending ones here. As you can see that Bitcoin is the most trending one. You can see the most visited, so the one that people visit most. So you can see it. So these are the coins that people visit most. So in this video, what I'll be showing is how to identify the market. So sit tight. So first of all, you search for your coin. As you can see here, these are being sorted out. Here is the current price. That's the current price for this area companion is $0.124, and in the last 1 hour the thing has decreased by 10%, and in the last 24 hours it decreased by 1.7%. But in the last 7 days, the thing has improved by 10%. What is this telling us? This telling us is this coin going up or going down? It's not. This is telling us that in the past 7 days it has been going up, but the last 24 hours and the last 1 hour the thing has been going down. But altogether it has been moving up. So as you can see, it has been moving up altogether. So now I see here, okay, here is the mini chart of this coin. So you can see here, it's still at its top and it's still going down, but still above what it was in the last 7 days. So which means it's still moving up. Unlike this one that is moving down, and this